Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, welcome and please do subscribe. Wait till the end if you would like to know more about the personal readings, to book any spiritual counseling session or rituals with me. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your career, you've got the 9 of Spheres and the 1 of Suns. Wow. I do see that a lot of success, abundance, wealth, good luck is coming your way. So if you're planning to start something new, this is a very good opportunity. I also see that whatever work you have done so far, you will be getting the rewards for it. That means you'll start seeing the results for it. So for the students, if you have worked very hard, you will see that you've got the good marks, you've got into good colleges or universities. People who have done good work in their business, they will start seeing the results money wise. People who have applied for job, and if they have done their work or given the interviews correctly, then they will see that opportunities open the doors for them. Promotions are also happening. So all in all, your career or your academic session is looking very good to me. Also, good luck is by your side. So if you want to make a change, you want to start something new, you want to change your job, right? So that is also a very good opportunity for you. You want to expand your business, good time for you. But definitely, whatever seeds you have sown so far, you will start seeing the results for it. The positivity is coming your way. Let's see what's happening in your love life, though it looks a little complicated. You've got the 9 of Stars and the Hangman. Well, I do see you could be dealing with a Gemini Sun Moon Rising, or you could have a Gemini Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. I do see that in your, or Cancer also, Cancer Sun Moon Rising is also there. You are very stuck in something that happened in the past. Somebody betrayed your trust, somebody lied to you, cheated on you, or did not choose you, or took you for granted. Now it's over, it's done and dusted. But why are you still holding on to that hurt? Because I'm getting very painful energy here, like somebody is still stuck on that past. I understand the pain, but you have to move on for your own good, right? The cards are also saying if you accept that it has happened to you, they have cheated you, they did not choose you, or whatever, you will be able to move on. And when you take that step, you will notice that there's somebody around you who's ready to start a new beginning with you. Now, the only reason why a new relationship is not starting because you are stuck in the past. So you have to work on yourself, you have to change your energies, you have to decide to move on, and then you will and then only then you will be able to have a new beginning, because somebody is just around the corner, a better person is waiting for you, only if you allow yourself to move on. People already in marriages and people who do not want to break up or move on, you have to work on the hurt part. You'll have to learn to forgive and forget if you do not want to break it, because move on from that hurt. If you'll keep on repeating the same pattern in your head, the conversation that or the scene that you saw, it's only going to hurt you, and then your relationship will never be the way it was. So if you want to save your relationship, if you're not in a position to break up or divorce, this is the guidance for you. In any which case, you have to move on from that hurt. Stop letting it bother you so much. Okay. And then see that goodness and happiness is around the corner for you. Okay. So take this advice and apply it to yourself. And if you guys resonated with this reading, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what is your situation. I would love to read it, like it, and I will try to respond to each one of you. And lastly, if you have any questions in your mind, you have doubts in your mind, you want to ask questions, you can book a personal reading with me. If you have blockages in your life, or if you want to manifest any desire, you can book rituals with me. Easy, powerful, and cheap rituals, by the way. I also have packages available. So if you have, like, if you're in a love situation, I have a different package. Career, I have a different package. For singles, I have a different package. And for friendships, I have a different package. Every package will come with a free remedy as well. Lastly, I take counseling sessions as well. So if you think you or any of your friend and family need that kind of therapy, they need guidance, they need somebody they can trust so that they can open up, so that they can share their burdens and secrets. Top secrecy is maintained on my channel, because all the conversations are just one-on-one. So you can book anything without any shame and talk to me. I do have audio video sessions available for my bookings and spiritual counseling as well, for half an hour and 1 hour, but only and only on Instagram, Google Meet, or Zoom. So please keep that in mind. No WhatsApp is available on my channel. And to book any session, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis over there, including my prices as well. Here I'm only be meeting you weekly or monthly, but there on a daily basis, the discounts, the rituals, when to do, what not to do, everything you will be updated. Okay. All these details are also mentioned in my description box and my bio, so you can check it out in case you need any spelling for my email or my Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care and bye bye.